class, who would like to do problem 3 on the board?
Please don't be me. Please don't be me.
I know, Miss Einstein. Let's give someone else a try, Ralphie. How about you, Sophia?
Actually...
Recess!
Whew! Saved by the bell.
What happened, Sophia?
I froze in front of the whole class.
What if I'm not smart enough to do math? That can't be true.
It would be so cool if my brain was like a muscle. Then I could exercise my brain to make it smarter.
But I thought we were either born smart or not smart. It turns out that's not true. Some monster-rifically cool scientists studied the brain and learned that it works just like a muscle. If you exercise your brain, it grows stronger, which means that anyone can get smarter.
That's monster-rific!
But how do you exercise your brain? By challenging it.
Like when you work really hard to understand a tricky math problem?
Exactly.
Okay, so we know we can grow our brains and get smarter, but how do we do it? Sit on the couch and eat ice cream. Do easy math problems all day long. Do a few challenging math problems. What's your answer? Click here to tell us on Adapted Mind. Hurry, before time runs out.
I'm ready for some brain exercises!
Yeah! Let's grow our brain with some challenging math.
I have just the thing. Let's try some addition below